Hey y'all, how's it going? See all these leaves? Last night, when I decided it was time to cook, they were all up in these trees. And then the winds picked up and they flew through here to there at 50 miles an hour, trying to attack my food while I was cooking. And the griddle does not like wind. My only complaint about this is it's useless trying to cook when it's windy. Anyway, this morning it is not windy, so we're going to have some griddled cheese and some sausage strips. So hang around and let's see what we got. Come and get me. Sausage strips. Cooks up just like bacon, it says. Great sausage flavors and strips like bacon. Let's give it a shot. Now, last night I had this up on high and it just would not move. I mean, I could touch the griddle. And I hate it when it happens. And had to move everything, give up and move everything inside. So we got sausage strips. We don't know how bacony or sausagey or anything these will be, but we'll find out. Don't know, or don't try, don't know. That's what a friend of mine loves to say. Kind of smells bacony, I guess. Wow, takes up a lot more space than bacon. If you haven't heard me mention before, these are, I forget the name of these are towels. Starts with an S, I think. But they don't unroll in the wind. I don't really like the towels overall. But they're perfect for here. So, well, that's cooking. We've got some cheese. I've got Texas toast, and I've already buttered it up with something. Mayonnaise today. And this is Jalapeño Monterey Jack cheese, which is really good. It's got a little bit of a bite. And we'll slice off a little bit. Maybe, maybe not. I have to get a cheese slicer. Normally, I had been getting the pre-sliced. It's either sliced or it's not sliced. It's not pre. Sorry. The English student in me came out. I'll try not to do that again. So I usually get the sliced cheese. But I ran out of good cheese to try because, you know, I have to keep you guys entertained. And I had to start going to the unsliced cheese. Let's check our sausage. Another second. My plan is to throw some sausage on this sandwich. And then we've got Dutch smoked cheese, which I love. I love any smoked cheese. I'm kind of partial to the smoked. That's just my own personal thing. Let's put that back in its bag to protect it from the bees. The bees love my cheese. So, can you still see? Yeah, you can still see. It's smelling like meat. Absolutely smells like meat. And I'll have to rearrange because different locations cook at different speeds. You know this already as a professional griddler. You are a professional, aren't you? Like me? You know I'm not a professional. I don't have a clue. Interesting. Maybe I should turn that side up a little. I could even about to slid these over. And then I could just slide these guys over. Uh-oh. You notice it does not curl up like bacon, so it's got that going for it. Doesn't shrink nearly as much either. That's going good. So we'll have sausage, grilled cheese, bacon sausage, sausage bacon, griddled cheese with Jalapeño Monterey Jack and smoked Dutch cheese. Sorry for the air conditioners in the background, but not really, because it's hot. It's approaching 90 again. The winds last night, the evil winds, were the sundowners bringing heat off the desert. Hold on just a minute. Let me go get a plate. Okay, welcome back. My cheap $1 or dollar store pan, which has worked wonders. Look how crispy and fatty. I'm talking about the meat, not me. That way. Ooh, hot, hot, hot. Nobody warns me things are hot when they come off the griddle. And they're browning up nicely as they cool. So I'm going to do a 2-layered approach. On the paper towels. Ooh, hot, hot, hot. But look how yummy. And that sausage grease, I guess, is smoking so much. Let's turn that side off. Turn you down. Give a little bit of a break there. So the sausage is greasy. Soak up a little bit of that grease. What do you think? 2 slices? 3? Let's go with 3. Maybe. If I don't drop them, because they're hot, 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 hot. Okay, 2 slices. 2 slices it is. Yum, yum, yum. And we'll add our smoked Dutch cheese on top. And this is going to be really tasty or a disaster. We shall see. Okay, put it on here. Mayonnaise size down. Mayonnaise size up. Side up. Well, that's cooking. Let's give this a try. Oh, thanks for reminding me. Honestly, it kind of tastes like a poor quality bacon or something. It's more like bacon than sausage, for sure. But if we hadn't have tried it, we wouldn't have known. One, two, this is gonna fall apart. Ah! Told ya, didn't believe me. So the Jalapeño Monterey Jack melted perfectly, and the smoked Dutch has not even begun to fight. I mean, melt. But we'll give it a minute. We'll see what happens. I can hear. Oh, the air conditioners have stopped. Yeah, it's still morning, and we're up approaching. It's over 85 degrees. We'll be hitting the 90 mark. And my thermometer's still in the shade. It was actually 80 when I got up at 7 this morning, I think. 6:37, I don't know. Okay, we're getting some melt going. Let's see if we can successfully, yes! We have successfully removed the sandwich. Look at all that cheese. Yesterday, lunch was veggie day. Baja does not like veggie days. She likes cheese days and bacon days. and hollandaise. So that is, no, we didn't change. There we go. Yummy, 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 maybe. Or not so much. We'll see. We'll give you a pretty view while I try to eat this. I may pull the sausage out, or attempt to extract the sausage and just have the griddled cheese. It just doesn't go well together with that sandwich. Otherwise, it tastes like that's a good mix of cheeses. Anyway, thanks for watching. Baja, as co-host, do you have any words? Oh, do you have any words? Cheese, bacon. Okay, thanks for watching, y'all. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you next time. Bye!